Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu and today I am presenting the circuit handy tester. There are various multimeters available in market for checking the status of various components, but for beginners we can just make a simple circuit like this and use it for testing various components. It is very cheap, it can be built in around 70 to 80 rupees and it's really useful. It can check the continuity of wire, polarity, activity of multivibrators, condition of diodes and LEDs, then resistors, transistors, as well the state of transistors as well. The circuit works on a very basic principle of transistor as a switch, which switches in from saturation region to cutoff region, like being on and off. Then here's the circuit diagram. Here are all the components that I've used, and this table is for referring. So as we can see, if we are checking continuity, then we have to attach the red and black probes to the test points. Then we have to check if the LED status, means if the green LED is on or the red is on. So according to that we will get the results, like if green is on then the continuity is there, if red is on there's no continuity. For checking polarity, like we have to give the red probe to positive of the circuit and black probe to test point respectively. So we can check according to the LED status, we can get the results. So we can check continuity, polarity, logic state. We can check multivibrator IC as well, like if it's oscillating or not. We can check if electrolytic capacitor is in good condition, or LED photodiode, IR diode, are they in good proper conditions or not. We can check if transistor is conducting or if it's in good condition or not, and we can check the resistors as well. So now let us see the video implementation of this. So I have added some components for testing. So first we'll start with the resistor. So as I will connect just the probes across the terminals of the resistor. And as I do, the green LED gets on, which states that the resistor is in proper condition. Then checking for the capacitor as well. So I will do the same, the red probe to the positive and black probe to the negative of the capacitor, and the green LED turns on, which indicates that the capacitor is in proper condition. Now for the transistor as well, so we have to connect the red probe to the base, then the other probe to the collector and emitter respectively. So if the green LED gets on, which means that the transistor is in proper state and it is conducting. We can check the logic state as well. So for that I'm using a battery. So we have to give the red probe to the positive and black probe to the reference that we want to calculate. So I will give both to the positive, which will read the logic state high, and as I give, the green LED gets on. And if I give red probe to positive and the black probe to negative, which will read the negative value. So red will stay on, which states that logic state is low. We can check the continuity of the circuit as well. So like if I short the two probes, the green LED will go on just like this. So we can check the continuity as well.